and they stuck it. Fortunately, they stuck it in a locker down at the post office, so because it wouldn't fit in my post office box, and so I got a package. Hey everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. Got an unboxing for you. I ordered this stuff 6 weeks, 8 weeks ago. First order, they shipped it via UPS and it got lost in transit. Then I ordered it again last week, and it said, oh, it'll be here on the 10th or the 11th. Then on the 10th, it goes, oh, it's been delayed till the 12th. Then on the 12th, it's been delayed to the 14th. And then it said, then a message popped up. If you do it does not arrive by this date here, you can ask for a refund again. But it showed up yesterday or today. No, today's Tuesday. Yesterday, showed up yesterday afternoon, and they stuck it. Fortunately, they stuck it in a locker down at the post office, so because it wouldn't fit in my post office box, and so I got a package. So get my everyday carry out here, my utility knife. Let's open this up, and you can see what it is that I've been waiting. I've had to order twice now to actually get it to come. This is the stuff that my wife likes. I hope this, yeah, okay, all right, here we go. And no padding for it either. So I got two of these. One may go back to California for her. It's the deep blue muscle relaxant rub stuff, you know, and everything else. This is the good stuff according to her, and so she uses it when she's really hurting. So I got two of them because, hey, it was cheaper to get two of them together than it was almost to get. Actually, it was cheaper than some of the things on Amazon where they had just one listed. So I got two of them, and anywhere else when I tried to get two was probably $18, you know, to $20 more than getting this. So I got it. So anyways, yeah, so this is the Deep Blue by doTERRA, and finally came. So now that I'm lifting all those sheets of OSB out there in the shop after I've insulated the walls and going up there, I'm going to be needing this. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this. Just one thing to point out for those of you that didn't see it yesterday. On Mondays, the Monday Night Fireside Chat has moved up 2 hours to 8 o'clock Eastern Time. And for the next 3 or 4 months, we're going to be concentrating on food, canning, dehydrating, dry canning, oven canning, all sorts of ways of preserving food. So you guys can learn from that. And last night I had Tammy of Rebel Canners up there, and she's going to try to make it all the time. So that's what's coming on, and hope to see you over there. All right? Take care. Oh, and plant an indoor garden if you can, even if it's just a little arrow garden. Grow something indoors this winter.